Welcome to Valletta, Malta. This beautiful city is a treasure trove of history and culture. In this video, I will take you through the best 8 places to visit in Valletta. Get ready to explore stunning cathedrals, peaceful gardens, historical fortresses, and vibrant waterfronts. Let's dive into the wonders of Valletta together. Number 1. St John's Co-Cathedral. St John's Co-Cathedral is a must-see in Valletta. Built between 1572 and 1577 by the Knights of Malta, it boasts an amazing Baroque interior filled with gold leaf and intricate carvings. Don't miss Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist, which is housed here. This cathedral is both a historical and artistic marvel. Number 2. Upper Barrakka Gardens. Upper Barrakka Gardens offer the best views of Valletta's Grand Harbor. Established in 1661, these gardens were originally for the Knights of Malta. Now, open to the public, they feature beautiful statues and monuments. A highlight is the daily cannon firing at noon, a tradition dating back to the 19th century. It's a perfect spot for relaxing and taking photos. Number 3. Veta Waterfront. The Valletta Waterfront is a lively area filled with restored 18th century warehouses. Originally built by Grandmaster Manuel da Fonseca, these buildings are now home to restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues. Enjoy a meal with a view of the harbor, shop for souvenirs, or simply stroll along this picturesque promenade. The vibrant atmosphere is unforgettable. Number 4. Fort St Elmo. Fort St Elmo is a star-shaped fortress with a rich history. Built in 1552, it played a crucial role in the Great Siege of Malta in 1565. Today, it houses the National War Museum, showcasing Malta's military history. The fort's strategic location offers stunning views of the harbor and city, making it a great spot for history buffs and photographers alike. Number 5. Saluting Battery. The Saluting Battery, located in the Upper Barrakka Gardens, is one of the oldest saluting batteries still in operation. Dating back to the 19th century, it was used to greet ships and mark the time of day. Today, you can witness the daily cannon firings at noon and 4 p.m. This historical site offers stunning views and a unique experience. Number 6. National Museum of Archaeology. The National Museum of Archaeology is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Housed in the Auberge de Provence, a beautiful Baroque building from 1571, the museum showcases artifacts from Malta's prehistoric periods. Highlights include the Sleeping Lady and the Venus of Malta statues, over 5,000 years old. This museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Malta's ancient past. Number 7. Lascaris War Rooms. The Lascaris War Rooms are a hidden gem in Valletta. These underground tunnels and chambers served as the British war headquarters during World War II. Built in 1940, they played a key role during the Siege of Malta. Today, you can take guided tours to learn about the operations that took place here. It's a must-see for military history buffs. Number 8. Lower Barrakka Gardens. The Lower Barrakka Gardens offer a tranquil escape with stunning views of the Grand Harbor. Established in the 19th century, these gardens are less crowded than the Upper Barrakka Gardens. They feature beautiful landscaping, a variety of plants and flowers, and the monument to Sir Alexander Ball. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Valletta is a city full of wonders, blending rich history with vibrant culture. From stunning cathedrals and peaceful gardens to historical forts and lively waterfronts, there's something for everyone. I hope this guide helps you discover the best of Valletta. Don't forget to explore all 8 of these amazing places on your visit. Enjoy your journey in this beautiful city. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share it if you enjoyed this video and want to see more.